Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use keyframe in VN video editor applications. So if you want to create stunning animations or make something move, you can just use keyframes in the VN app. And in this tutorial, I'll guide you to the step-by-step guide on how you can edit and use keyframes to make your videos look more dynamic. So first, you can just open your VN applications, and then here tap on the plus icon to start a project. Click on new projects and choose video base, and now you can just choose your videos or photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to just use a background from here. Let's just use this white background. Okay, so this is the background, and now I'm going to use a sticker. For example, here I'm going to add a sticker from here. Let's just use let's just use the social media logo. This is a YouTube logo, and I'm going to make animation from this YouTube logo by making it moves or like animate it. You can just click on the animations or the elements that you want to animate, and in this case I'm going to animate this YouTube logo. Click on it and there will be this pop-up. You can click on this keyframe options and move a few frames. I'm going to add another keyframes in here and make the logo smaller. Okay, so now you can move it again, move the playback, and you can animate the logo or elements again. I'm going to make it out of frame, and I'm going to go all the way here and move back the logo and make it big again, just like this. And let's see the result. You can see now the logo move just like that, only using keyframes. So you can use keyframe for photos, maybe your videos or stickers, just like this. So you can use it for anything on the timeline here. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can use keyframes on VN. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and you can share your keyframe creations or ask questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks for more video editing hacks and tutorial. Bye!